Is the Portabago Trail home listed by this agent Micah, new construction. This home sits on a 2-acre lot. If you wanted to clear off some trees, you would have a wonderful water view. The nice 2-car side load garage. You have a large front porch. I love these railings, they're very modern. Add a nice little touch to it. Here we are. I love this entryway. You enter the home and you're greeted with this lovely railing that matches the exterior. First room we're going to check out is this office. And here we have the open concept family room, dining room area. And here we have the stunning kitchen. We have a large kitchen island here, electric cooktop, tons of cabinets for storage, and a large walk-in pantry. You'll see here we have the built-in microwave, oven combination, a large refrigerator, and this adorable barn door entryway into, I'll call this a mudroom, to the garage. Powder room, nicely done. Tile flooring, nice vanity. Let's go check out the upstairs. Okay, so up here we have 4 bedrooms. This is just like a little landing space or loft, but I love the windows. You have 2 closets here for plenty of storage. Extra blankets, towels. Here's one of the bedrooms. It is on the front side of the house. Let's check out the closet. Check out bedroom number 2. Another nice sized bedroom with a good sized closet. We have a full bathroom right here. I love the mirrors and the vanity that was chosen because it has drawers and it has cabinet storage. Beautiful gold fixtures that tie in nicely, and a lovely tiled tub shower combination, and a door for privacy. All right, here is bedroom number 3. This is on the back side of the house. You have 2 nice sized windows, beautiful backyard view. Nice large closet again. What I love about this house is the laundry is right here where all the bedrooms are. Oh, motion detection, love that. Some tile flooring. And now we're gonna go into the primary suite. I love the large windows in here to let all this natural light in. Plenty of room for a large bed. There's even a nice spot over here. You could do anything with it. This spot over here is nice. They have a sofa. You could make it a reading nook. You have a large walk-in closet here. And this beautiful bathroom that gives such a spa feel. You have that large soaking tub, the dual vanities. Just all of the detail here with all of the finishes is lovely. And a big picture window that just looks right out there to all of that peacefulness. A enclosed shower here. All right, this house has a fully finished basement where there are 2 extra rooms. One is a bedroom. One is just a room with a closet. You can use it as a bedroom, but it does not have an egress window. This could make for a craft room, extra storage, playroom. We have this large unfinished utility area. Nothing too exciting in here. I just wanted to show it. See where all the household systems are. A full bathroom. The tile is really nice. It's white. When you get closer, you can see this texture. This is a great space for if you have somebody visiting who wants to stay the night and you want to give them their own space. A very, very large room down here. You could potentially make this a family room, a game room. It's great because it has access to the backyard. And here is that 5th bedroom. This one has a window and a closet. Let's check out the closet. Hey everyone, so we just toured this beautiful new construction home in Portabago Trail, Port Royal, Virginia. This home sits on 2 acres, 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms in this lovely neighborhood, Portabago Trail. Reach out if you want to know any more information about this house. It's still available, new construction in Caroline County.